Hey everybody, my name is Matt Novack. I am an aspiring woodworker. I live here in Virginia, and I have been watching tons of videos for a very long time of various people doing woodworking. I've been watching it for years on YouTube, and follow a lot of them, and been able to buy a little bit of equipment here and there. I don't have a big shop or anything like that, but feel very blessed with what I've been able to start out here, and I would take you on this little journey with me as I go through this and learn woodworking more and more. I've been able to acquire a good amount of wood. A couple years ago, me and a friend actually bought a chainsaw mill, and most of our stuff we've learned from Matt Cremona, watching all of his videos. So we have a Steel MS 291 chainsaw, and we buy all of our blades from Oregon, and we've been basically chainsaw milling wood as we find it. I got about a half-acre property here in Virginia that as trees fall down or various people, we find wood and we mill it up and take it from there. We tried to build some tables, end tables, arbors for weddings. We built some various crosses for wedding venues as well that people may want to use for a backdrop, and a circle arbor, a regular arbor, a holpa. So just gonna throw some stuff out there, see if anybody likes it. Leave some comments. I'll take recommendations at methods. I'm basically just pulling everything I can from what I see on Instagram and YouTube, and see if I can pop out some pieces of furniture or anything else, and hopefully be able to provide for my family a little bit more. That's all I'm looking for. I have a job as a construction project manager right now, and I'd love to be able to take this as a little side business and be able to provide for my family a little bit more. I have an amazing wife, Amanda, I've been married to for 5 years, and two little boys, Buxton and Holcomb. They're both under 4 years old, and we have a lot of fun, and the boys love too. They're very active boys. So we'll just see how this goes, and yeah, leave some comments below. Love to learn and be part of this network of woodworkers and builders, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.